wish that this one didn't hurt, 'cause other times I felt much worse, but really it's what I desire.